Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life Real Life, and I am back with entry number 15. We did it! Yay! I'm so excited. Thank y'all so much. I cannot believe that, but we will be doing 2 drawings, and I will do an update, hopefully maybe next week sometime, and let you know exactly what the second prize for the second drawing will be. So, with that being said, this entry is entry number 15, and this comes from Miss Susie. So, let's see what we got here. Oops. Okay. I love the colored envelopes, and I need to get me some. We got my name, so we got a card. Let's see what we got. Spooktacular. That is super cute. You can tell she has glittered it up, and I love those words. Spooktacular. And it's like double layered on some black background. There's some back sequins. You've got the ghost all glittered up. It says Boo Spooktacular. Let me make sure. Oh, cute at the little googly eyes and the little circle. That is so adorable. Thanks so much for this challenge. Enjoy your goodies, hugs, and blessings, Susan. So, thank you, Miss Susan. So, let's see what we got in this bag. I want to make sure I'm not handing out, showing any information. Oh, my goodness. How cute is that? Well, let's take a look at her memory decks. Oh my goodness. How do you do that and you outline it like that? Is that like washi tape and you just put it on there and then outline and then cut it out? Oh my goodness, I love this. And look at the perfume bottles. And these little bottles are like the old-fashioned bottle tops that you pop up. I actually have some of these bottles I have purchased. This says fresh on each one. A pink one and a blue one. And a little bell and it says life is beautiful. Yes, it is. And I love this blue metallic. You're going to have to tell me how to do this, or maybe I should look back at your tutorial. Let's see. You did do a tutorial, didn't you? I'm going to have to go back and check. Pretty sure you did. But you know, I don't watch them until, unless they don't show anything. I don't watch them until after I open the package. But that is so pretty. And look at the butterfly in pink. Pink and blue, 2 of my favorite colors, and all the colors. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. Let's see. She is Susan Tootsie Tucker on YouTube, and Susan... is that STEM, S-T-E-M, Tucker on IG. And then her date of birth is 12/12, another December birthday. Her style is whimsical and vintage. Her favorite colors are all brights. Her favorite store is Tuesday Morning, and her favorite $5 crafty item is Glitterific and Stickles. That is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I love all this. That is all amazing. Okay, let's see what we got here. Uh-oh. Please don't tell me. I think it's stuck to the bag. Hold on. Hold on. You know how things can happen in the mail. I just want to make sure that it comes out okay. Oh my goodness. Alright, we got a little paper on the edge from the package, but I will fix that. So, I'm sorry about that, sweetheart, but, you know, unfortunately, sometimes stuff like that happens. So, I'll just put it there. Look at this. A little Christmas ornament. I love it, and I love the reindeer in the green. And, of course, you know I love all my sparkle with the pretty bow. And he's got his little googly eyes. And then the back is the green plaid print, too, as well. I absolutely love that. Can y'all see that? And it's got the red bow. That is so cute. Did you make this all the way, or did you embellish it? You'll probably say on your VR. Like I said, I have to go back and watch it. And then she shaded him in. I could tell where she shaded him in, gave him some little highlights here and there. I love it. That is so cute. Awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. And again, oh, I've got a little something flying around here, a little gnat or something. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, Susan, so much. And y'all be sure to go check her out. I'm sure most of y'all know her. It's Susan Tootsie Tucker here on YouTube. So definitely go give her love. Check out her channel. And be sure to check out her VR as well. Thank you so much. And as always, I wish you the best.